mommy's gonna cook.
It's cooking. A lot of food.
Gotta be careful because the oil is hot. Here's the onion o sibuyas. Wow, it's like a Krabby Patty from SpongeBob.
Hey!
Sakit yan.
Hindi, yan. Gulat lang ako. Hey! Hindi mo matamaan ka, ha?
Oh my God.
Pumuputok siya. Why?
I-off mo na nga. Yan. Nagpuputok eh. Wait lang. Okay, I'm back, guys. Okay. Sibuyas ito in Tagalog. In English ay onion. Pinaputok yan ulit. Lagot. Yan, okay. Kina, guys.
Kina, guys!
Hindi na puputok.
Di na puputok, guys!
Namimimik mo ako. Stop drinking that. What happened? Okay, I'm back, guys, today. So, again, we're gonna video my mom cooking. Christmas.
Ay, lasa na ito. Parang sunog.
Oh my God, it's still oiling. Oh my God. Oh, what? Oh no, sunog, guys. Oh no. Bro. My God. Okay, so that's for the end of Mommy. But don't forget to like and subscribe. And bye-bye.